Hi, this is Dan Stewart, and this is your NORAM Asset Management Market Update, Friday, July 16, 2010. And notice, folks, it's Casual Friday, and I'm once again donning my Wall Street Shuffle Black Helicopter digital camo t-shirt. In any event, the markets got crushed today. Not only here, but Japan and most of Europe. The Dow was down 261 points, or 2.5%, to 10,098. The S&P was down 31 points to 1065, and the big loser of the day, the NASDAQ, was down 70 points to 2179. So the S&P and the NASDAQ were both down roughly around 3%. Oil was down 85 cents to 75.71. Copper was down 7 cents. Doesn't sound like much, but that's almost 2.5% to $2.73. Gold was down over $20 the ounce to $11.88. Silver was down 57 cents to $17.77. Although gold sounds like it fell a lot more than silver, percentage-wise, silver was down 3% and gold a little over 1%. Over in the currency front, the US dollar got crushed against the euro and the yen. In fact, the euro went over $1.30 today, and the yen to the dollar is about 88. Over in Europe, the European markets were down across the board. The Euro Stoxx 50, Belgium and France all down over 2%. The rest were down between 1.5 and 2, with the exception of the UK that was down 1%. Asia was also down, but a few countries were up. Hong Kong was flat, Singapore, Shanghai, Indonesia, and India, the S&I countries, were all up marginally. Taiwan was down 0.5, South Korea 3/4, but the big story, Japan. Japan was down almost 3%, and Japanese stocks got crushed because of the rising yen, the strengthening yen, and worries about our U.S. recovery. And China's slowing as well. The global economic news is coming out worse and worse by the day. You need to take precautions. You need to be defensive. One bright shining light again today was South Africa. South Africa was one of the few industrialized countries that was up. They bucked the trend on both of our last big down days. The big story, though, the CPI numbers, the Consumer Price Index, was negative and showing deflationary pressure, and the University of Michigan confidence number came out way below estimates. It looks like consumer confidence, business confidence is very negative. Therefore, people in the U.S. won't be spending. This is Dan Stewart for your NORAM Asset Management Market Update, Friday, July 16, 2010.